Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to share an account link on X, formerly known as Twitter. Sharing account links can be a great way to connect with friends or promote accounts you love. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your timeline and other features. Once the app is open, take a moment to scroll through your feed or use the search function to find the account you want to share. Once you've found the desired account, tap on it to view their profile. Now, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This icon usually represents more options. Go ahead and tap on those three dots. After tapping, a menu will appear with various options for sharing. You'll want to select the Share option. This allows you to send the account link to others via different platforms. Whether you want to share it through messaging apps, social media, or email, you can easily do so from this menu. Once you've selected your preferred sharing method, simply choose your recipient, and the account link will be sent. It's that easy. Now you can connect others to accounts that you think they'll enjoy or find interesting. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can share an account link on X. This feature not only helps you engage with your friends, but also makes it easier to spread the word about great content. Happy sharing!